All right, welcome to multi-step inequalities. We're on slide number 8, problem number 5. The trick here is to remember we have like terms and we want to combine those like terms before we move forward. I'm going to go ahead and show you what terms we will be combining. We have a negative 3x and we have a negative 2x. These are the like terms because they both have the variable x. Even though the coefficient, the number in front of it's different, they both have the same variable, which makes them like terms. Now notice how I circled the sign as well as the term or the number and the letter, because that sign is connected to that number that's in front of that x. They go together. So I'm going to rewrite this. 20 is less than or equal to, and I have to go ahead and underline that. Now I'm going to put this together, negative 3x, negative 2x. When you have two negatives put together side by side like this, you're adding them. So it's negative 3x plus negative 2x. That's what you're doing, is you're adding them together and making a bigger negative x, negative something x. And that would be negative 5x. So you would end up, the rule is, what it is you would, in subtracting integers, you would always add the opposite. So you would change the subtraction into addition, and that's just a regular 2. You would change it into a negative 2. That's the rule. But if you just look at it and you have two negative numbers, one following the other, you're just adding them together to make a bigger negative number. If you just remember that, you'll be okay. This is a one-step inequality. I am not going to continue moving forward with this because I know you know how to solve this. If you're not sure how to solve this, go back to the video on how to solve one-step inequalities. I know you know how to do this one. So if you need any help beyond this, make sure that you reach out, tell me what lesson this is, and tell me what problem or what slide that you're on and where you're having problems.